Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on gold. But before that, if you are new and you've not clicked on the subscribe button, I want you to subscribe, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So on that Telegram channel, I'll be giving you guys back-to-back updates there. So let's start with the food trend on our gold. We clearly can see that this our gold is on an uptrend move. I mean, this movement from the year 2022, we can see that our overall trend on gold is an uptrend move. Same on our 4-hour time frame, you can see it is still an uptrend move. So basically, high is what we are seeing. But if you take a look at what market is currently doing right now, you can see that market is ranging within this level. You can see something like this, right? This is it here. We had a rejection here from this our resistance. Then we had a drop that came to tap our support level. Then we had a movement to our resistance. Then drop came to this our support level. Then we had another movement that came to our resistance, which even broke above it, came to our support level. Then it pushed up to our resistance level. If you take a look at it, this is our support level. So if you take a look at something like this right here, we are clearly seeing an uptrend. So personally, I'll be expecting it to actually break above a level of 3388 on gold. That is what I am expecting. This week, we will be breaking above a level of 3388. Can we go further up? Absolutely yes, but I'll be giving you guys an update on that. So if you want to stay updated, all you just have to do is follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the comment section. So let's go down to our 1-hour time frame so we can clearly see that this is a massive bullish move here. So personally, I'll be expecting a little bit of an exhaustion, like a pullback. Then once that pullback plays out, then what we will be expecting is another movement to the upside. So above all, we should be breaking above a level of 3388 this week.